how to cancel a Jumia order before it ships. Now here's how to do it. You just go to your account, you click on orders, and then when you order, you see your orders right there. I haven't ordered, that's why you don't see my orders right there. Now you just click on the order that you want to cancel and click cancel item. First of all, click see details and click cancel the item or cancel order. Now if you bought something that is plenty, you'll be able to reduce the you choose the quantity you want to remove and click cancel order. Then you also have to provide a cancellation reason. Once you're done, they'll give you a form. Once you provide your cancellation reason, you then submit it, and that's it. Now here's something important to note. Cancellation only works while the order is still pending or hasn't been dispatched yet. Once it's shipped, the option disappears from your account entirely. And if you miss the window and it's already shipped, the only option left is to refuse delivery when the courier arrives. You may then process it as a return instead of a cancellation. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful.